in respect of population. If we review the areas that where the taxes are not paid by the people, like corporate companies or corporations, and there said that is the illicit flows of financial flows of issues, and then there was a provision in the next budgetary fiscal year, that is 2,000 taka, that is $200 should be paid by the tin holder. Tin means tax identification number. And then we raised the question and we had to get one campaign, and then the government has dropped this. No, minimum tax should not be there. But in case of work for tax calculation, government is trying to be convinced for this issue that yes, the domestic works also would be calculated for the tax, that is women, and we are also achieved the garments salary, garments that most of the women are here, and more than 90%, and 11% GDP is from garment sector. So that is the minimum salary should be 8,000. That is $100 per month. So it is now. I think it is now working with the garments women workers, and the corporate income tax. There are some gaps, huge gaps. Like they are preparing two balance sheet. One is for NBR, that is the National Board of Revenue, and one is for their actual income. So the second balance sheet is to submit to the NBR, and the original balance sheet for the owners of the corporations. So we are trying to do this, not to allow this by the government. So we are campaigning for this. And another thing is that black money to be whitened by 10% tax. It is most dangerous for the country. That is, the honest people are paying 30% tax, while the black money is paying 10% only for whitening their money. So it has been stopped last year. Now the government has realized to utilize this money to the major industries level where the employment will be generated. And the government doing another thing is that the individual taxpayers to increase the tendency, that is they are conducting the tax fair every year. Then a huge number of people are giving the tax in this fair, because tax return is the very much hassle for Bangladesh. So if you go to the NBR, you cannot get the justice there. So the tax fair is the most important venue for the people to give the return without any hassle. So we are also this is our campaign, result of campaign, and we think that we all are doing well for taxation, and also injustice of the taxation, and also we are also somehow against of indirect tax, that is bad. If I am very rich and if I get 100 taka of any goods, I have to give back 15 taka, and the poor people also give 15 taka. So this is also injustice. We are trying to give the sense to the government. It should not be VAT should not be imposed. So we should increase the individual tax, though the rich people, not to the poor. So this is the situations in Bangladesh actually, and we are still trying to talk with the government, lobby with the government, with the national and international networks. Thank you very much.